Hi friend, myself Durga Prasad. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in Computer Science Department. Now I am here to explain the generic restrictions. Introduction to generic restrictions. Generic restrictions are the constraints that apply to a wide range of situation, concepts, or object. They are often used to ensure the consistency, maintain order, or a project certain instructions. What are generic restrictions? Generic restrictions define boundary or a limit within a specific context. They can be rule, guideline, policies, or even a natural law that how think the behave. Controlling behavior. Restrictions helps to control the behavior of an individual or a system within a definite space. Ensuring restrictions can be promote and equality by a certain a level playing field to the everyone. Protection intersect. They can be help to protect the instruction in a wider group or a environment. Types of a generic restrictions. Generic restrictions can be categorized based on the purpose, scope, and a mechanism. Some common types included legal restrictions, technical restrictions, social restrictions. Legal restrictions, law, regulation, and a construct that govern human behavior and instructions. Technical restrictions, constraints improve a technical such as hardware limitations or the software protocols. Social restrictions, custom and a social expectation that behave within a community. Importance of general restrictions. General restrictions are circular of maintaining a order, ensuring the framers and protocols intersects. Restrictions can be create a level playing field of everyone, ensuring the everyone under the same rule. Restrictions helps to maintain order or a control behavior, protecting a situation from a out of the control. Restriction can be intersect of an individual group or the environment by the limited human self activities. General restrictions in a software development. In a software development, general restrictions are often improve a programming constraint that this can be included types restrictions. Type restrictions, ensuring the variable and a functional are used opportunities with a program. Access modifiers, controlling the visibility and accessibility of a different part of the code. Security protection, security protocol, protecting the sensitive information and preventing a unauthorized access to the system. General restrictions in a hardware design. In a hardware designing, general restrictions are by a physical limitation and a designing constraint. This can be include a power requirement, signal signal integrity, and a manufacturing. Power requirement, the amount of a power that the device can be consume or generate. Single integrity, ensuring that the single array transmitted accuracy and reliability. Manufacturing manufacturing, the acceptable range of varieties in the uh, properties of components. Generic restriction in a legal constraint. Legal constraints offer the a generic restriction to define the terms and conditions. Challenges in implementing a generic restriction. Implementing a general restriction can be challenging due to the various factors, including a complexity and the unique consumptions. Complexity. Designing and encouraging the compliant restrictions can be different. Best practice of a general restriction. Clear communication. Communication restrictions clear and consistent to the every involving. Flexibility. Allow for some flexible and encryptable to according to the unfortunate circular. Conclusion and a key. General restrictions are associated for maintaining order, frameless and security in a various domains. They provide a boundaries control behavior. Understanding the purpose clearly define the purpose and the scope of restrictions. Striking a balance between a freedom and the control to avoid a discrete outcome. Thank you.